Was melting on the pavement in the rain. I was breathing swimming faders as the ventilator strained. I focus on our footsteps as I slowly decompress. The pine above was freezing, broke your glasses, tore your dress. Oh, beautiful ephemera, just do what you do, and I'll start learning how to ameliorate and mend your clothes for you. Thoughts about the future are getting hard to trust. I could have stayed forever, but it would never be enough. Were blamed for the falling of the bridge. Raise the level of the keys, bolt the ladder to the ridge. A broken wing, a fall to earth, to land amongst the trees. Frame your qualifying letter where you check the ivory. A vision of the future, then the cage door slammed shut. I could have stayed forever, but it would never be enough. Came along from nothing. He was here and he was loved. Could have stayed forever, but it would never be enough.